And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a weave effect. Got the original right here and we can apply it directly to it. Filters, artistic, and there's the weave function. Let me just confirm it. I've got the defaults as values. And you can see the weaves are quite small, but this is only because the image is very big. So you always have to see these values that you use. Let me press Ctrl Z and I will show the menu. For example, the ribbon width, you'll have to see this value relative to your image size. Let me increase both to 100. It looks better now, but it's still too small. But this is what you have to do, unfortunately, so there is not a fixed value that you can just apply and it's going to work with every photo. I'll have to press Ctrl Z to undo it, re-show the menu, and let me go up to 300 for the width. I keep the spacing. I don't want to have it too dark for the shadow. And I confirm it once again. And now we're getting somewhere. So you can see at first the ribbon width was at 30 and now 300 is a good value for this photo size. The photo that I'm using is at around 1000 pixels. And finally you can also adjust the thread. But the ribbon width and spacing is the most important. The shadow, I don't want to have it too dark, so I keep it at 50. And if I adjust the thread here slightly, you can see the difference is not that intense, but you could also adjust that. And this is basically it. This is how you can create this weave effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.